How to use the cut page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and switch to the cut page by clicking the cut tab at the bottom of the screen. This page is ideal for quick edits, especially for YouTube videos, social media content, and fast-paced timelines. Next, import your media by using the media pool on the left. Drag and drop your clips into the timeline below. You will notice that the cut page shows a dual timeline. The top one gives a bird's eye view of the entire project, while the bottom one is for detailed editing. Then, use the source strip feature by clicking the film strip icon. This allows you to view all your clips as a single tape, making it easier to skim through footage and select in and out points without going back and forth between clips. Now, to make a cut, position the playhead and press the scissor icon or use the shortcut Ctrl+// to slice your clip. You can move clips around by dragging them or using the Smart Insert feature, which automatically places them in the right spot in the timeline. You can also use the Trim Edit mode to fine-tune transitions. Just click and drag the edges of your clips and use the trim tools in the toolbar above the timeline for ripple and roll edits. Finally, once your edit is done, click the Deliver tab to export your video with your desired settings. And that's it. Now you know how to use the cut page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.